So as part of work for a few clients, we've been using Backpack for Laravel, and we find it quite useful. Um, One of the features that a lot of our customers kept on asking for was the ability to do a bulk import of data for some of the entities. So that's what we ended up building. In this video, I will show you the use case that we have built, and the rest of the article will then show you how to use the code that we have written. I have made a small gist out of the code on GitHub, which you guys can use. So this is a standard uh, data table that Backpack produces based on configuration metadata provided in the setup method of the CRUD controller. I have added an import button here. I'm going to click that. So this is a wizard kind of a user interface that we have created. So the first step of the wizard is where it is asking us to choose the file that needs to be imported. And there are a bunch of instructions that you can give. Um, these instructions can be customized for each entity. The first instruction by default allows one to download a sample CSV file. Again, the CSV file is generated automatically based on configuration metadata that you provide. So I'm just going to click on choose file. I've chosen the file. I'm going to click on submit. Right. So the second step is where we show a sample of 10 records from the CSV we just uploaded. The headers that you see of this table are from the CSV, and at the footer you see a drop down of fields which should get mapped against the fields that have come from the CSV file. Right now, in my case, everything got automatically mapped because the names of the fields in my CSV exactly match the names of the fields that I have used in my configuration metadata. Right. So having done that, if there's a mapping that needs to change, I can just come here and change the mapping, and I just click on import data, and that's it. Right. So this is a very simple example of what the import functionality can do, but there's a lot more that you can do. You can put in custom validation rules. You can stop the import from proceeding if a validation rule fails. All the fields that we just imported were simple fields, like they were, none of them were foreign keys, right? So you can have import configured where one of the fields is a foreign key to another entity, and you can actually resolve that entity. So all those instructions are in the rest of the article. Hope this will be useful for you guys. Thank you.